Monthly Knife Club $200 subscription box. Let's open it up. Ooh, Zipa. I always wanted that one. That's why we subscribe to a subscription box. Wiper Tech. Film a whole bunch of things with that. Really love that brand right here. Remedy, is that what it's called? Don't want to mispronounce it. Okay, we'll look at it in a second. And all light. Ooh, Constellations. E3. That's beautiful. Stickers. And I paid for whatever they're called. I think I paid $200 for it. So there's different plants on it. And the one that I paid $200 plus ish, like, you know, taxes and everything, and the value should be between $250 to $300 if you can find something on sale. This is $10 either way. Not go open it. We go leave the best to the end. And you see how this is only like 3-4 items because they only focus on high quality stuff. Okay, D2 Wiper Tech. This is actually one of the best knives they produce. Usually Wiper Tech is definitely on the cheaper end. This is probably like $25 to $50. Cobra Tech. Oh, I'm sorry, Cobra Tech. A little bit different name for it. Not sorry. Okay, we'll look at it. This side here will be over $200 if I can open it. You grab this. I have learned before. I usually just rip it off and open that. What is this? Limited RT Meteor knife. Doesn't really say us much. Ooh, this is gonna be good. It's like $250 knife right here by itself. So there's a button right here. Phone flipper. Boom, Remedy. Oh yeah. What does it say on the dot? Cannot see. M390 still. So high quality. Look at that. Probably be the easiest to open it. Left-handed, right-handed, doesn't matter. Thumb stud, it's so smooth. There's a button, so multiple way of opening it. Phone flipper, this is so comfortable. That's why expensive knives are so good. Even though it's a liner lock, look at that. The button right here, you can open it and close it different ways. So comfortable. So titanium, M290 steel, and carbon fiber handle. G10 looks like. So on their website, this side here $59. I mean, maybe it's kind of cool. Cobra Tech. I thought it was better than usual. And this one is on Blade HQ, $235. So yet another awesome box. So this side here, almost $300 worth of values, plus even the fillers for $10 or $12, whatever it is like a nice or light burn as well. So I'm really happy with that subscription box this month as well. So I'm gonna keep it subscribed. So check out my eBay store. I'm gonna list a few of these things. Links in the description.